So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken garlic parm. So for this we need some unsalted butter, some panini pasta. We got a 1 pound box of panini pasta. We got some chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, milk, obviously some chicken, some black pepper, some salt, and some garlic. So let's go ahead and start with the slice and dice of our chicken. Alright, so for our chicken, we're just gonna start by cubing it up. About 1-inch cubes. So when we get our chicken done, we'll come back. Alright y'all, so now we have our chicken breast cut up. Now I will throw out, this was 3 boneless chicken breasts. And now we're just going to go ahead and move this over to a skillet. Alright y'all, so we have our chicken in our cast iron skillet. We're also using our 12-inch cast iron skillet. And we're going to go ahead and cook this chicken up. And when the chicken is done, cooked up, we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, we got our chicken pretty well cooked up. We're just going to go ahead, we got 2 tablespoons of that stick of butter. We're going to go ahead and get that melted down. Once that melts down, we're going to take 2 cups of chicken broth. Dump that in. We're going to take 1 cup of milk. Go ahead and dump that in. Get that mixed around. And to this, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of wet garlic. Get that mixed around. Then we have half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to go ahead and get this all mixed in. And then we're just going to take our box of panini pasta, dump that in. We're going to get all that pasta under our liquid. Alright, and now once we got everything mixed in, we're just going to go ahead and let this simmer for about 15 minutes or until our noodles are done. We'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so ours has cooked for about 15 minutes. The noodles are good to where the doneness I like them. Now if this cooks, this will cook down on you. If it gets too thin for your liking, feel free to add just a little more milk and a little more of that chicken broth until you get the consistency you like. Ours is done. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up real quick. We'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we've went ahead and plated some up. All we're gonna go ahead and do is top that with some Parmesan cheese, enough where you can mix it in, it'll melt in. Alright y'all, and there you have it, some garlic chicken parm. Now, if you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Feel free to go check out other videos on the channel. And until next time, keep on cooking on.